My son has been asking me for sidewalk chalk for weeks now. I finally gave in and bought this giant pack of sidewalk chalk from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But today we're just gonna test it out and unbox it, and let me show you what you get for your money. This was relatively affordable. Look at all these colors. A lot of the sidewalk chalks that I've seen are only like 4 colors, 6 colors, but look how many colors of chalk you get. Let's just zoom in so that I can read. And there we go. I've never seen that color before. Don't know how to pronounce that, but there's blue violet, indigo violet, purple mountains majesty, wisteria, lavender. What did that say? Oh, marvelous. That's a cute name. Salmon, carnation pink, pink flamingo, black. This says Timberwolf.
White.
Good. Okay, let's read the second row together. This one, oh, what does that say? Blue?
Green, blue.
Okay, what's this one say? Cerulean. I think I just read that one. Okay, let's go down here. This one says blue. This one says Pacific blue. This one is Cadet blue. This one says, do you know how to read that?
It's cornflower.
Wow, good job. He like amazes me. He knows how to read. I didn't even teach him. He just like taught himself. Okay, then what is this one? This one's a hard one. Do you know what it says?
It's green.
Oh, close. Caribbean green. Awesome. What does this one say?
Sky blue.
Excellent. How about this one?
To say green.
Great. This one? Fern. Yeah, that's a new one. Green. Tan. What does that say? It's hard to see. Raw. Something. Oh, sienna. Raw sienna. That's a tough word too. What's this say? Burnt sienna.
Tumbleweed.
Good. This is a toughie. This is sepia. Or sepia. I don't know. Sepia.
Wow.
Good. Chestnut. Great. So those were all the browns. Okay, this one. Do you know what this word is? This one is hard. What do you think? This says goldenrod.
Goldenrod.
Great. This one is dandelion.
Yellow. Glow.
Close. Sun glow. Okay. What's this one?
Green, yellow.
Great.
Always green.
Ooh, good job.
Spring green.
Excellent.
Yellow green.
Great.
Granny Smith apple.
Oh, good job. Granny Smith apple.
Peach.
Excellent.
Noel.
Wow. What's this one? Close. Apricot. Good job sounding out words. So smart. Oh, this is a hard one.
Is gleaming green.
Close. Gleamin' green.
Gleaming green.
Okay, what's this one say?
A shocking pink sparkles.
Close. Shocking pink sparks.
Shocking pink spark.
Good. Okay.
Super purple. Super purple.
Good.
Groovy bluey.
Good job. Groovy bluey.
I'm done now.
Okay, let me just do the last row so people know what color.
Red.
Uh-huh.
Scarlet.
Scarlet.
Scarlet. red violet,
Great.
violet red,
Good.
red orange,
Excellent.
burned orange,
Perfect.
red red,
Good.
mango.
What does that say? Mahogany.
Mahogany.
That was a hard word, yeah. What's this one?
Orange.
Great.
Sunset. Orange.
Perfect.
My car with and cheese.
What does that say? Try again.
It's
Macaroni.
macaroni and cheese.
Good.
Yellow, orange.
Uh-huh.
Red.
Razzle, dazzle, red.
Rattle, dazzle, red.
Good.
What's the red?
Atomic,
Atomic,
tangerine.
tangerine, fire,
Perfect.
laser, lemon.
Oh, laser, lemon.
Laser, lemon, green sway,
Green scene.
green scene.
Okay, so wow, good job. My son is only 3. He knows how to sound out words and read by himself. He's so smart. Anyways, I'll always look for activities where it reduces screen time so he's not watching TV all the time or playing on an iPad, and something also outdoorsy but safe. So we're going to do sidewalk chalk in the backyard, and I just thought this was so cool because look at all those colors. So the box is cool because again they label all the colors and your child can read them like mine just did. And then these chalks are also kind of like pointed like big crayons. Let's take a look at the sides of the box. Oh, and I forgot to mention here, some of them are like glittery, which is super cool. I've never seen sidewalk chalk like that. And here is the back of the box. Here are the glitter colors. Over here. I'll just let you read those yourself. And let's open it up. So, okay. It does come sealed. There was a clear sticker here. I just took it off to save time. But let's take a look. Let's see if it's messy or what. Wow! Everything is shrink wrapped and they are packaged by color, it looks like. So we have a whole bunch of these colors. Do you want to pick one?
I want
This one. Pick a pack you want to play with today.
this.
That one? Are you sure?
Yeah, I do sure.
Or do you want to pick something darker so mommy can see?
I want this one.
Like, what about this one? This one has black in it. That'll look cool in the backyard. And then it has light colors too. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is that black? What color is that?
Black.
Oh, okay, let's show.
I got the wood now.
So it looks like there are 8 per pack. Is that right? Let's see.
Let's just do it those.
Yeah. So they're all packaged individually by 8. So I'm just gonna open this one and we're gonna go in the backyard and play. And I'll do a little test sample on the floor for you guys on concrete, and then we'll show you what we end up drawing. Okay, so I have put the chalk into a little leftover food tray from Costco, like when they sell meatloaf or mashed potatoes or whatever. And I save these aluminum trays because they're very useful for kids stuff and crafts. So I've unpackaged the chalk in here, and if I wasn't lazy I would wrap the ends with saran wrap so he doesn't get his hands all dirty, but lazy, this is lazy mode. So I just have a little slightly damp paper towel here so that before we go in and out of the house we can just wipe our hands so we don't get chalk colors everywhere. Alright, let's get drawing. We're outside now and we're gonna test out the chalks. Okay baby, you can just grab a color. Let's do black.
Let's do this.
Okay, and you can draw on the wall here. You can draw the letter A. Cool. So cute. Good. Yep. Uh-huh.
I think it's a little too long.
It's okay. You have a long wall you can practice on. You could just doodle and draw all you want. You could change colors.
Can you erase it?
Sure. Oh no, you don't need to erase it. You can't erase it. So you could just draw, and then if you mess up, you can color over it, or you can just move to a clean section.
I just had to do with all those bullets.
Okay.
And that works.
Okay.
Good.
How does it feel? Good? Okay.
I use that little ta-da.
Wow, let's see. Cool. Mommy can't see it, but I think it looks good. Let's see. Oh yeah, very nice doodle work. All right, can you decorate this whole section for me? Yeah. I'm gonna try.
Can you erase it?
Let's just draw something. Okay, not bad. I don't know if I'm in frame, but let's just draw a ninja. It's not exactly as smooth chalk, but it'll do. Let's just draw a little baby
What's happened?
ninja.
Mommy?
Hmm?
I don't know what's happened to this.
Oh, it's okay. Let me see. Did you break it? Oh, you broke the tip. It's no big deal. You can draw with this. You can draw with this here, or you can just use this part, or to put the tip back in the tray. No biggie. Okay, now color it in. Let's try coloring. Oh, let's just pick another color. Okay.
It's working!
Great. Okay, I can't see, so coloring is hard for me. But
I'm dropping my letters.
cool, Mommy's making a ninja. I don't know. I cannot see my screen. So it's also a little harder coloring vertically because you have to put a lot of pressure in here. Did I color that way again? Unclear. But cool, look at that. Ninja.
I wish I can load that. How can I wish I should have done the way.
I don't see anything. Oh, cool. Do you like your sidewalk chalk? Yeah, is it 2 thumbs up? Hello? Do you like it? Alright. Here is my first chalk masterpiece. Show this channel Ninja some love. Press the thumbs up button. And subscribe. Leave a comment down below if this is something you would buy for your toddler as well. But yeah, I think this is a great outdoor activity. It helps them be creative, practice their letters, their artistic skills, and gets them outside the house. It's a fun, safe activity. Definitely recommend it. I will put the link down in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!